Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Canva export not working. If your Canva export is not working, what you can do is firstly, you can check your mobile Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. After you turn it on, you need to turn it off. And next what you can do is tap on your device settings. After you tap on your device settings, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management and tap on search bar and start typing for Canva. Tap on Canva, and after you tap on Canva, tap on storage uses. After you tap on storage uses, tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, what next you can do is update the app. Tap on Google Play Store and tap on update if you have not updated the app. Next, what else you can do is reinstall the app. Press the Canva app and uninstall it, and to reinstall it what you can do is install it from Google Play Store. Next, what you can also do is you can open from web browser. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.